Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm back with TXT. Today we're gonna watch their solo stage performances. Let's go. And these are the stage performances they performed at their concert. So yeah, let's get into it. I have 5 videos, of course, and these were posted on their official channel, so I'm pretty sure it's not gonna get blocked. Please. Let's go. The first one we have is sorry. The first one is Dance with You. Freaking love this song. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, the screams, hell yeah. Oh, I love this song. Ooh, and this outfit. Sir. Ooh. Love it. Oh my god. He's so funny. Stop. Oh my god, the way that he was looking at them. I love it. The screams, oh my god, they're so real for that. That was gorgeous. The choreography, the dancers, everything about that was. You know what? We're just gonna watch it again. I don't care. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Oh, so sexy. Oh my god. I'm gonna be real honest for a second. I thought he was gonna unbutton his shirt and I was going insane. Right here. Calm down. Ooh. fan art with this moment right here. It's so pretty. Of him holding the girl's hand. Gorgeous! Oh, it was perfect. And his smile. Oh wow. I love that. This look, this is perfect. I love the song so much. I love that. We need more. We need more. That's it. That's all. Yeah. Okay, let's listen to the next one. I'm so happy that everyone was screaming so loud. I love that. Please, guys, never stop. Never stop screaming. Please. It's so fun. I imagine for them as well, like listening to all the cheers so loud. I love it. All right, let me get the next one. Next one we have Bird of Night. I forgot to say whose solo is whose. Like the last one was Hyun and Kai, of course. I just said Bird of Night, let's go. But yeah, this Taehyun's solo. You guys know already. I don't know why I'm saying it. Let's go. Oh my god, the song's so pretty. This song is so perfect for late night listening, but not only late night listening, but late night drives. It's perfect. Every time driving around and it's night, I have to put on the song. I have to. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, the mic is on. And the stars behind. Perfect. Gorgeous. Are these butterflies? Like paper butterflies? Oh, oh, he's so pretty. Yeah, we're gonna watch it again. Let's just go. I like this jacket. Alright, he looks so handsome. His voice is just, I want to listen to it all the time. His voice. The last look right here. This man is not real. He's not. Look at him. There's no way someone just looks like this. There's no way. He's so pretty. I'm in love. I'm in love all over again. Wow, wow, Daehyun. Wow. All right, let's get the next one. That was awesome. Okay, we now have wait. We now have "Take My Half" by Bongyu, and I'll have to say this was one of my most listened songs. Yeah, I freaking love the song. Maybe it's my favorite from the solos. I don't know. Like I love all of them, but "Take My Half" I just I don't know, it touched me. No, no way that I don't know how to explain, but I love it so much. Okay, let's listen to it. That scared me. Oh my god, I love this song so much. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, he's so cute. I'm actually gonna cry. Wow, he's so cute. His sparkly eyes. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so. Oh, he's so pretty. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, fuck. That's why I love this song. I just, every time I listen to it, I feel like crying. Because, I don't know, he sings with so many emotions and you can feel it all. I don't know, it just. You get what I mean. I know you do, alright? Yeah, we're gonna watch it again. Of course. I love his voice and his vibes. Like he's just walking, and I'm like, oh my god, he is the prettiest boy ever. He's just walking. Look at him. Oh my god. Oh my god. This man is so pretty. Like, I What? How? That's that's not normal. Like, look at him. Just look at him. He's so pretty. Pretty boy, pretty face, pretty vocals. Like, fuck. Have it all. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, in the little store. That was awesome. I want to see them live. Please. Okay, let's watch the next one. Oh, guys, I do know something. I do know that they switched solos, right? In the MoaCon. I'm pretty sure they did that. And I plan to watch it, but I don't know where to look for it. So if you know a link of where I can watch, like it can be different videos for different solos, please put in the comments because I will watch it. I want to watch it. But yeah, let's go to the next one. This one is Ghost Girl by Yeonjun. Okay, let's go. Oh. Oh fuck. Okay, no, yeah, sure. I can do this. Oh, this song's so good. Oh my god. He looks so handsome. I love this part. Oh. Ooh. Oh. I love this, the mic stand. So pretty. Oh my god. Enjoy. Oh my god. You're insane. Oh, they're filming it. Oh, I think I know why. This is just a fan cam. It was probably what was in the big screen. think I just realized how much I listened to the song. I was singing some parts of it. I was like, oh my god. I was kind of surprised. I didn't realize how much I loved and listened to this song. I mean, it's awesome. It's so good. But my brain had it all in here. Hmm. Yeah, we're gonna watch it again. Of course, he looks so good. He has this vibe that it's so him, so Yeonjun, and you can feel it. You know what I mean? Like, hell yeah. I love this mic stand, really. Sorry. His eyes. Oh my god. Hmm. I like that the dancer, it looks like they are in a trance. I like it. The stage is really pretty with the skulls. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't. He's so pretty. Like, look at this. Oh my god, I think I need to go on Twitter and look up fan arts. Like, I just can imagine so many pretty arts about this stage and this performance, like this look right here with the skulls and stuff like that. It is awesome. I wish I had a talent to do this stuff, but I don't, so I'll just be appreciating the art. It was so pretty. I really love the song. Like all of the solos, they are so pretty. We still have one more. I know, but I just want to talk right now. Like they are so pretty, and it has their vibes. Each of their vibes in the song, like you know it's them, and I fucking love that. Yeah, let's listen to the last one. Let's watch the last one. This is Subin Sunday Driver. Oh, about the switches like they did in the Morcon, I don't know who sings whose part. I have no idea. So that'll be fun to watch. I'm probably gonna know when I get the links, but I still don't know who no who sings whose song. Okay, let's go. Sunday driver Subin. Stop. This is so cute. Stop. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. This is so cute. Cute. I love this song. The vibe is so camera. I love this choreography. That's so sweet. Just like this song. Coba. Oh, pretty boy. Oh my god, sweet. This choreography. I can't stop smiling. I want to squish him. He looks so happy. I want to cry. You know what's funny? With Sandra Driver, I want to cry, but from a different cry. Like I want to cry. The songs I want to cry. Oh my god. And the solos. It's the Bongios one, Take My Half, and Subin's Sunday Driver for totally different reasons. Like Take My Half is so sad and I want to cry because it hurts. And Sunday Driver, I want to cry because it's so fucking adorable and cute. I just want to cry from cuteness aggression. You get what I mean? Yeah, that's what I feel about Subin. Like he's so cute and he's singing and smiling and being so excited and jumping around. I want to cry. Don't tell me it's not normal. I know it is. I know it is, okay? Yeah. We're gonna watch it again. He's so cute and this song is so freaking sweet. Okay, just a second. I'm sorry, I just realized that in my album I got Subins and Hunikai's photo cards for each solos. So I remembered and I went to get it because they're so pretty. Look at him. Look at him. He's so freaking cute. Look. Wait. Isn't he so cute? I love him. It's so the vibes. Wait, let me get unique eyes as well. Cute. Oh my god. So pretty. I love them. Okay, sorry. I had to get it because I remembered. Hmm. Sorry. Oh my god. Let me just put it back. Let's watch it again. For the driver. I can't be pausing all the time. Yes. I just realized the dancers. I have to watch later now the performance full so I can watch everything going on. Because what? That's so that is so cute. Like the song. He was doing this. I don't know. You love that? I love that. So cute. I love this part. Oh my god, it's so cute. Adorable. I'm gonna cry. Cute. So freaking cute. And the dancer as well. Everyone is so cute in here. Stop. Adorable. Oh fuck, I love this so much. Oh, yeah, guys. That was their solo songs. I love it. But yeah, I think we have. Wait, let me see. I'm gonna put Sunday Driver Moacon. Oh, I got a spoiler. Oh no, I got a spoiler, guys. Now I know. Now I know. Okay, but we have these. We have. Oh, Which one should I watch? You know what? Put in the comments. Which one should I watch? Hmm. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. I don't know the rest though. I'm not gonna know. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe for more TXT, and I will see you next time. Bye.